Hey guys, in this series we'll be solving 450 DSA array problems. So the first question is reversing an array. Uh, the array can be of static and dynamic, which I will be solving in two separate videos. First of all, we'll move on with the static array. So in the static arrays, reversal can be done in many ways. I will provide you with the two simple ways for reversing an array, for which we will create a file named reverse.java. I have a public class here, so we'll create a main function along with the provided arguments, and I will create two more functions reverse 1 and reverse 2. So we have static here, so static variables can be accessed only by static functions, so this should also be static. And initially we'll get the input values from the user. So first we'll get the n value from the user, enter length, and the number will be placed in n. So we need scanner here. We have to import util package, then in n will place the value inserted by the user. Then I'll create an array with n space. Then I will get the inputs from the user, create a for loop, traverse to the array, and place each element inserted by the user in the array. Okay, our array is ready now. So we'll call both the functions which perform different reversal actions. Okay, we'll call reverse 1 first with the array and n. We'll receive the same array with the same name here. Then in this process we'll store the reversed values in a new array. So I'll create a new array named array1 with the same length as n. Now I will traverse through the first array, previous array, in the reverse order. And for every element in the new array, I will have j here from 0. From 0, I will place all the elements in the reverse order. Then I will increment j here. So what is happening here? We have the previous array as array and a new array as array1. I will traverse through the previous array in the reverse order from n-1 till 0. For every element, I will place this reversed array in a new array from 0th index. So I have array 1 to be the reverse of array. I will display this here. Reversal 1. I will have a for loop for this and print array 1 here. And I will have next line here. That's it, reversal 1. And reversal 2 will be swapping values. Let's suppose we have an array like this. If I will be traversing in this direction, so 1, if I replace 5 and 1, I will have 5 here and 1 here. If I replace 2 and 4, I have 4 here and 2 here. So I will get the reversed array. So we'll traverse through the given array. I'll get the array here. We'll call reverse to with array and n value. I will get the array here followed by n value. Then I will traverse through the array. If you see here, I will be replacing 1 and 2 and 3 is the midpoint. So I will traverse through the array. I will traverse to half the array. And I will have a temporary variable here for swapping. I will place the first element in a temporary array. Then in the first place, I will have n minus I minus 1th element. That is this element. I will be 0 and n minus 1 will be the last element. And in that last position, I will place the temporary variable. Temporary variable has the first element. So I am placing 1 in the temporary variable. Then in this place, I will place 5 value here. And in the temporary variable, I have 1, right? That 1 will be placed in here, in the last position. So this will go on as a loop until the array reaches or the for loop reaches the middle value. So everything will be swapped and we will have a reversed array. So the difference is that in this function we have a new array and here we will swap the arrays in place, that is in the same array. So I'll print them. Reversal 2. Array of I with space. And I'll have end here. That's it. We have 2 reversals here. We'll run this. So I will have 5. These are my elements. You can see both work. So thank you guys. I will upload this code in the GitHub. Bye.